So today we are going out to repair my phone. I'm so excited, guys. So much very excited. Hard work pays, and apart from hard work pays, like, guys, it's a blessing. So I'll just visit the salon, let them just, retouch my hair. And I don't know. The reason why I didn't want to go to the salon because of my baby. You see? I don't even know how to tie a tie. Looking like Uduma. Hey! I don't even know how to tie this a tie, but I will not look like Uduma. I like tying it when I'm putting on wig. It makes it, but I'm carrying baby. I don't want to be doing like this. So my neck just empty. It's well. It's well. How do I tie it? I have to retouch and leave it. If I tie it like that, it's going to be looking up. God help me. Let me just go and make my hair. Let me just make the hair. Hey! Oh, and I don't want to wear wig. Seriously, don't want to. Seriously, don't want to wear wig. I seriously don't want to wear wig. I seriously don't want to wear wig. I don't want to wear wig. I need to tie this hair now. You ready? See people, I'm like, these people are well. It's like your neighbors. Would you call those people your neighbors?
They're my neighbors. Actually, all of them are my neighbors.
I think neighbors like who face front.
But they're my neighbors. Even local people are my neighbors too.
It's true, sure. It's the same environment.
People that you can easily reach.
Yeah. Yes, I'm back. The water bottle I will buy for this boy, yeah. What's there? Hello. Good day, ma. Bookshop side and search for it, so we'll be going there to search for it. food shop stand. Let me check this side. Sorry, I'm a blogger. I need tripod, very simple for phone stand. The one I have, my kids have spoiled it. Loud. You see how the one can hold in your hand like that for short, it's so that. This one is how many inches is this? One. No, it's smaller. Yeah, 1 carry me. Is it the only one you have? That's the only small one you have.
What they actually did before the 3700.
Jesus.
How do I say no? When I'm buying now.
Which kind of sickness is this? Sick one.
Yep, man.